first video with RC. Here is my RC car. I'm on the beach today, so I'm gonna drive around the beach. Tomorrow I will have a little track for the car. It'll be amazing. By the way, Josh. Driving out here with my RC car. Driving my RC car next to on the way to the beach, where I set up a little course just to test how good it is, how good this car is. If it's not past one of the jumps, it's not really good RC car, but it's still good, I guess. It's not good at jumps though. I'm really bad with steering with one hand, as you can see. Go! Go! 1, 2, 3 minutes that's driving.
I'm watching.
Yeah. So there we have it, guys. Our first day RC at the beach with my second RC car. My first RC car is officially in maintenance right now. So this is what I have at the moment. See you guys in the next video. So there it is, guys. The finish line, the racetrack after everything's been driven. Josh.
I get scared!
Go! This is my brother's RC car.
I got scared last minute.
Okay, do you know how to drive this thing? Oh! Trying to catch the RC car. Here, Dad, can I try now? It's my perspective. Go!
Ruin the phone.
Bonus! Bonus! See ya.